There's one ingredient that shows up again and again in Vietnam's most beloved dishes. Few talk about it, but when it's missing, you can feel it. Chua, a simple pickle, crisp, tangy, full of character. It's not the star of the show, but without it, many flavors just don't shine. Today, I'll show you how to make it at home, because in the dishes we'll cook soon, you want this ready to go. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. You must start with 5 or 6 carrots, about 2 cups, that you want to peel. Then remove top and bottom parts. Remove a slice to make the carrots flat, so they don't dance around when you cut them. And cut them into sticks about 1/4 of an inch thick and 3 inches long. You'll also need Daikon radish. Same quantity as carrots, 2 cups. Wash it and clean it, removing unwanted parts. Cut in half to make the task easy. Then peel also. Once again, cut a slice to make it safer to chop. Same size as carrots. For some recipes, green papaya or cucumber are also a good combination. But we're going to keep it simple today. Use a big jar or several small ones. Just make sure the jar is clean. Set the carrots inside, then the Daikon. And leave a like if you want to know more Vietnamese recipes. I'm going to use 1 cup of cold water to fill the jar. And a 1/2 cup of rice vinegar or white vinegar if you don't have rice one. Drop a 1/4 cup of white sugar on top of the vegetables. And 1 tablespoon of salt. In my experience, it's better to add now 4 peeled garlic cloves. And 1 piece of 2 inches of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced. They really improve the taste. Optionally, you can also add 1 full bird's eye chili. I encourage you to do it, but if you're not in a spicy taste, you can skip this step. Let me know in the comments if you're a spicy food lover for more recipes. And you're almost done. Close the lid and give it an energetic shake to blend everything together. Before using, let the pickle sit for at least 2 hours. That takes away the sharp earthiness of the carrot and allows the sweet, tangy flavors to meld. But you can keep the process going up to a couple of weeks. I like to have a jar of Chua pickles on hand, using it as both a condiment and a side dish. I'll see you next week with another dish. Thanks for watching.